Now student, this is a chalkboard. Good morning students. How are you all? So student, today we are going to learn how to draw and color chalkboard. So children, आपने chalkboard अपने क्लासरूम में तो देखा होगा और आजकल मैम आपको ऑनलाइन भी chalkboard पे वर्क सेंड करती हैं. So let's start how to draw and color chalkboard. So first of all, I will draw one rectangle. Draw one sleeping line. Then draw one standing line. Draw second standing line. And then draw one more sleeping line. Now draw one more sleeping line for outline of the rectangle. Like this. Then draw two standing lines from lower side of the rectangle. Now children, fill brown color in the outline. And now fill green color in the board. Now children, your chalkboard is ready. Thank you and have a nice day.